Hello, financial fans. It's November 3rd of 2021. We're going to look at some of the big stocks that seem to have had a dip in their price. They might be bargains. There might be a sale going on at the big stock store. Going to begin by looking at a company we know as Facebook, but it has a name now, Meta Platforms Incorporated. FB is a symbol. And the price right now $328.87 per share. And if we look down the first column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $244 was the low, $384.33 was the high in the past 52 weeks. So it's well below its high, and this is a company that's gonna be there for a while, I do believe. I think it's something worth investing in with the idea of holding for a year or longer. In the middle column, PE ratio 23.54, 23.5, so that's not too bad for a company as big as Facebook. And the one-year target down at the bottom of that middle column, $402.26, so it's certainly worth a look at this price. Next, we look at another company that's known as one word Google. That's what we think of, but the actual name of the company is Alphabet Incorporated, selling for $2,908.73 per share on this November 3rd. And the 52-week range, 2/3 of the way down, left-hand column, 52-week range, $1,699 was the low, $29.82 was the high, so it has some headroom, not a whole lot, but some people invested in this and bought it at a higher price, and they're going to be more likely to hold on to sell it for a profit at some point down the road. And I do recommend, if you do decide to buy a stock of this type, you might want to think about holding it for a long period of time. The average volume, 1,082,000 shares trade every day of this very high price GOOG stock. And the PE ratio, 27.99, which is higher than I like, but this is Google. This is a big company, and no dividend. One-year target, bottom of the middle column, $3,279.44, and might even go a little bit higher than that. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just pointing out that some of these stocks look like they might be in the bargain bin. The next is International Business Machines, IBM. They've had an up and down history over the years. The 52-week range, $111.16 was the low in the past 52 weeks, and the high was $152.84. So they got some wiggle room there, up headroom as far as the price is possibly going to be going back up to where it once was in the past 52 weeks. The average volume, 4.5 million shares trade every day, and IBM is a well-known company. PE ratio 23.93. Again, that's higher than I like, but this is IBM. It's going to have a higher PE ratio than what I might want. The forward dividend, that looks pretty nice, isn't it? Over 5%. And the one-year target, $150.84, worth thinking about following and looking at and seeing what happens to that company. And the last stock we'll look at, Intel. This is one of my favorites. I have bought it, and I bought it at a lower price. I bought it at a higher price a few months back, almost a year ago. And the 52-week range, $44.55 was the low, and the high was $68.49. It's got lots and lots of room to go up. And the PE ratio, under 10, the way I like them, 9.71. And the forward dividend and yield, 2.79, almost 3%, a respectable yield while you're holding on to the 1-year target. They say $55.41. That would be nice if it goes there. I think it's going to go quite a bit higher. This looks like a buy and hold stock to me. And I thank you very much for watching.